I will be using large Swarovski hearts, number 8 Swarovski rounds, number 6 diamondettes, crystal clear hard gel, flawless foundation, flawless finish, brush on glue, pillow talk gel against gel polish, pink snowflake prisma, my empty glass dish, my 3D art brush, my dotting tool, my wax tool, and my towelettes. I will be using Cinnamon Kisses Sanitize. Sanitize your hands and then your client's hands. I will be using Cinnamon Kisses Fast Acting Polish Remover. And even if the client doesn't have on polish, I always clean off the nail with polish remover. Now I'm going to etch the nail with my 100 grit Purple Terminator disposable etcher. Go with the way the nail grows. Proper etching eliminates 75% of lifting. Put little scratches in the nail. I'm very lightly etching the nail. I'm letting the etcher do the work for me. Make sure there's no shiny spots. Now I'm going to push back the cuticle with my tritium stone. This makes sure that there's no skin that's grown up on the nail, because if there's any skin on the nail, this will cause lifting. Dust off the nail with your plastic manicure brush. This also helps eliminate lifting. Now I'm going to prime the nail with my non-lifting nail primer. Dab it on the towelette so I don't get too much primer on the nail. Prime sparingly and let the first coat dry. The first coat of primer kills the germs on the nail and dries out the oils in the nail. Wipe off your brush before placing it back into your bottle so you don't have any contamination. I will be using my double thick extra long competitive edge nail form. I love this form because it keeps the curve really nice in the nail. Then stick down the little wings, place the curve underneath the free edge, get it nice and secure, stick down the sides, secure your form. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of primer right before I apply my acrylic, so my primer is wet when I apply my wet acrylic, and this promotes adhesion. This is going to be a large ball. It's going to be a long nail, so I get more liquid and more powder, so dip my brush all the way in, very lightly wipe it away, drag towards me on my powder, get a nice large ball, place onto the free edge, let it flow, pat it out, bring in the side, bring in the side, pat it out, stroke it out. This tapers out the nail. This is going to be a tapered square. Get just how you like it. Clean up the tip. The second ball is going to be a smaller ball. Dip your brush in, less liquid, less powder, so it's a smaller ball. Place this ball halfway down the nail bed. Let it flow. 1, 2, 3. Stroke it out. Side, side, center. Wipe off your brush. Another small ball. Dip your brush in. Wipe it away. Less liquid. Very small ball. Place this ball 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle. Let it flow. 1, 2, 3. Stroke it out. Side, side, center. Wipe off your brush. The fourth ball is your stress ball. Again, another small ball. Dip your brush in. Wipe it away. Less liquid. Small ball. Place this ball almost at the cuticle. Release liquid into the ball. Let it flow. 1, 2, 3. And then stroke it out. Side, side, center. Wipe off your brush. The nail is no longer shiny and is starting to dry. Now I'm going to squeeze my C-curve. I start at the nail bed, I work my way out, applying pressure. This makes the nail really strong, and it tapers it in and makes it look nice and narrow. Now I'm going to file my nail using my long-lasting 180 zebra, but first I'm going to score the edges using my etcher. So when I file around the cuticle, it's nice and smooth. I just dispose of my etcher. Now I'm going to file my nail in 5 steps. My first step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the left. My second step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the right. My third step in filing is shaping the tip of the free edge. This is going to be a square, so I hold my file straight up and down, go straight across. My fourth step in filing is the top of the nail in the cuticle area. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, like a horseshoe pattern, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, going around the cuticle. There's a little road. You have product, natural nail, cuticle. I'm going to place my file in that little road and file the product flush with the natural nail. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Nice long strokes. You always want to do long strokes. This way you don't get tired when you're filing. It's really fast and really easy. Step number 5, turn the nail around from the client's angle and bevel down towards the tip. This is the angle the client's going to be looking at for the next 2 weeks. You want to make sure it looks beautiful from their angle. Now I'm going to dust off the nail and check all my angles. This is a tapered square, so I want to make sure that my sides come straight out with a slight taper. Beautiful. Okay, looks great. Now I'm going to buff the nail with my clean finish buffing file, and this buffer is made out of material, so it won't leave any grit on the nail. You can use it dry, you can use it with oil, or you can use it with water. Buff in nice long strokes. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Go around the cuticle, make sure it's nice and smooth. Out towards the tip. Take the sharp edges off the corners. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. Apply flawless foundation. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to pour a little Clean It in my glass dish to clean up my smile line. I will be using Pillow Talk for my pajama party collection. This makes a really pretty French. Go straight across first. Then start your smile and swoop. Start your smile and swoop. Cap the tip. Then go in and clean your smile. It's really easy. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply my second coat. Again, straight across. Swoop in with your smile. Start on the other side and swoop. Okay, now we're going to look at our nail and make sure nice and even. Cap the tip. And if you have a little bit of bulging at the side here where your gel kind of ran down a little, all you do is just use your brush to clean that up a little bit. It's really easy. I'm going to clean my smile line. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply Flawless Finish, a high gloss top gel. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to clean off my nail with Clean It. Now I'm going to apply my stones. I place the stones that I'm going to use on a clean tile so it's easy to work. Using high quality stones like Swarovski and my brilliant baby diamondettes that never get dull and are reusable is the difference between just ordinary nails and fabulous nails. And I will be using the Swarovski large heart, the Swarovski number 8 rounds, and my diamondettes in number 6. And stones are so popular and profitable and easy to apply, you can add a few or a lot of stones to every nail service. And I will be securing the stones with hard gel, my crystal clear hard gel. This is a high viscosity, really strong gel. We want to make sure the stones will last the whole time in between appointments. I'm going to use my dotting tool to get a ball of crystal clear hard gel in the area that I'm going to be placing my heart. And this needs to be a big enough ball that it covers the whole bottom of the heart. There we go. Then using my wax tool, I pick up my heart. I place my heart into the gel. Make sure it covers completely all the way around. Get it right where you like it before you cure it. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Place the nail in and then turn from side to side to fully cure. Now I'm going to use my dotting tool to apply my gel for my smaller stones. I will be applying this in a little line, following the smile. Same thing to the other side. Follow the smile. I'm going to apply my stones using my waxing tool. So handy. My number 6. My 8, then my 6. Do the same to the other side. Number 8, number 6. These stones are so pretty. They're so shiny. Your clients are going to love this. And once you get it lined up, you're going to cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. And these are smaller stones, so this time you don't need to move your hand, only for the large stones. Now I'm going to apply brush-on glue around the edges to encase the stones. This is extra insurance all your stones are secure. And I only use a small amount. You don't want to flood it. Just go around. Just need a little bit. Just let it dry. Now you have your Valentine Swarovski French nail. This is so fun and so easy to do. Such a beautiful Valentine nail. Your clients are going to love this. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.